Does your child recognise digraphs and trigraphs in a word? Hi everyone, my name is Jo, and in this video I'm going to be sharing some tips on how to help your child recognise digraphs and trigraphs in a word. Why am I doing this? Well, because in my classes this week we have been practicing this and I thought it would be really useful to share with others. So if I write down a word, even though children have been learning their digraphs and trigraphs, they may not be able to spot them in a word. And if they see this word, they may say a, n, rein. But that's not a word. So what you can say is we have been learning the A digraph, and you can help them by underlining the A sound. It's the digraph because it's two letters that make one sound, A. And then you can try again. A, n, rain. Then you say, wow, that is a word. So you could also spot it on our sound mats. And if you want access to my sound mats and more tricks and tips, then you can join my community on the link in my bio. So let's do another one. So I'm writing this word, and children might see it and say, l, I, g, h, t, liget. And you say, that's not a word, but we have been learning the I trigraph. And a trigraph is three letters that make one sound. And you can underline it like this, I. So now it's not igh, it's I. And you can ask them to sound it out again. L, I, t, light. And then they have actually practiced and can read and apply the words themselves. And it just takes practice. But sometimes, even though children recognise the sounds, we mustn't think they can always apply it. So it's really important to practice. So like I said, you can find these sounds on the Phase 3 sound mat. We've got I for night. And we have A for rain. And lots of other sounds as well. So if you want more tips and tricks, join my community, which is free, on the link in the bio. And I'll see you again soon for more tips and tricks. Bye everyone!